You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. This is famous for being a bowling. Do you say bowling game? Probably both. Of Italian origin. And yes, it has different pronunciations. Alright, so in English, let's go through this. The British English pronunciation, UK pronunciation, bocce, while the Americans definitely say bocce. Alright, if you say bocce to an American, they're going to say, well, why are you saying bocce? It's bocce. It's just a American, non-American thing. Now, the Italian pronunciation is bocce. Alright, so you may hear some people say it as bocce would be the Italian pronunciation. That's actually correct because it's Italian. In English, some may say bocce, therefore. But generally speaking, bocce, or in the US, bocce bowl, bocce bowls, or bocce bowl. Do you pronounce it any other ways? How do you pronounce it, and where are you from? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.